Isn't there something about great architecture that when you open the front door, you just know you're home? With its double height entry, you move through the gallery spaces of this home with its light travertine floor through to magnificent open rooms that just bring the outside in. This is a real entertainer's home. It's a home for families to dine together, to recreate together, and when you see the poolside entertaining area designed by Andrew Broughton, you'll know what Cottesloe living is all about. This is a home with a fine sense of detail, lots of space, big ceiling heights, and it has a generosity of spirit that makes living in this beautiful little cul-de-sac, one of only 4 in Cottesloe, an absolute treat. You are so close to everything. You walk over the Clarendon Hill to the tennis club. You can catch a train, a bus to school. You are in the heart of this glorious suburb. Athelstan Road is a real secret. I want you to come and discover it for your family and for the rest of your life in this magnificent beachside suburb.